girls with Ratchet Chatz.
And we know we looking just a little short tonight. We are one queen Ratchet short. She may be a little late tonight. She had other prior engagement. Hey y'all, what's up? But like I was saying, we are missing one Ratchet boo. She is not here tonight. She did send her deepest apologies for missing the show tonight. But we're finna jam, because this is my song.
We gonna keep it going for y'all tonight. The show does not stop because we loyal to our viewers and we cannot have y'all not fucking with us tonight.
We can't.
So, if y'all don't know us right now, my name is Elle.
And I'm Erica.
And our other member is Ken, and she's just not with us tonight.
Not with us tonight.
Welcome
but we
to
finna
Ratchet
take care of y'all. So,
we got a good show stuff for y'all tonight.
We do. Cheers.
And if you are a follower of ours, this is a podcast as well. And what I mean by podcast is we smoke on this show, we drink on this show. This is about 30 to 35 minutes of being ratchet. Be free, tune in, ask questions, feel how she feeling because that's what we got going for y'all tonight. So, what's poppin', everybody? What you want to kick the show
talk
off with
about
tonight?
outfit. I know y'all been hearing about it all day. But, and I hate to sound like a hater, y'all, but I knew they wasn't going to make it. I'm sorry. He's too young. He's at the highlight of his career. She's at the highlight of her career. They're both very attractive people, especially him. But, like I said, I just feel like, it wasn't going to work out. I had no faith in their relationship. Sorry.
Well, I'm kind of right there with her. I mean, it's just like anything with life. They moved way too fast. It's like they was together, then boom, they had a baby, and then boom, we found out they was married. And then it was just like too much. And once it was like in the whole year, y'all got married, had a baby, moved in, everybody found out about y'all. Exactly. So I think, and then this isn't his first time cheating. I feel like now she just probably at the point to where she just tired of this shit being put in the limelight and she done with it.
Exactly. And I think they've been separated, like she said. It's been a long time.
We've been having issues, nigga, because you still been cheating.
And how funny is it y'all are broken up and now you want to post culture?
Finally, because like I told my hunger earlier. She said, fuck you, I'm posting my baby.
So do you think he influenced her not to?
He could have had a lot of influence.
Because it's so ironic that now she's just posting him. She's just, speaking about the relationship.
Speaking of culture. She is so
adorable. She's adorable.
Gorgeous.
She is adorable.
So, out there, if letting y'all know how we do it, we do have a topic bowl. We have random topics. We're going to pick in the bowl. We're going to touch on that topic. Feel free to chime in, ask us questions. Let us know
how you feel.
Your
thoughts, your opinions. We care.
We definitely
care. Again, K. Lou is not here tonight. We did not Michelle her out the group. Okay? She's still part of Destiny's Child.
She's just not going to be able to talk to us, but I hope that she's watching in spirit.
Even though I haven't seen her notification. Hey, Jazz girl.
I'm going to start us off tonight. I am picking the first topic out of the bowl. So, let's see what we got going for y'all tonight. This is always exciting. Oh, okay. This is a good question. So, this question is it's particularly about the ladies, but I'd like to know what you guys think as well. Ladies, the question is, and I think this is Erica's question.
This is
Ken's question. So she's not here tonight, but this is her question. Do women care about their body count?
Ooh. Horse.
Do you
care about your niggas you fucked?
So, question is, ladies, do women care about how many niggas they've had sex with? In 2018.
Keep it real.
So I'll let you start us off. How do you feel about your body count? Do you care about it? Are you like, does it matter if you go up or down?
I feel like my body count is a good number for my age. And I'm leaving it at that.
Me personally, I feel like at this day and age, because everybody's so free and open and everybody basically out here just fucking, I feel like my body count used to matter, but I feel like now I don't have as much sex as I used to. So I feel like at this point, I don't really monitor it because I know I don't have a lot of sex right now. So basically,
yeah, it's like, yeah, it's just not that often. It's just, and then I don't know, another thing. Hell, I'm not gonna speak too much.
Go ahead, this is Ratchet Chatz. Don't get to holding back now. Tell the people what's up. Y'all fuck with us.
Well, when I broke up with my baby's daddy, you know,
she had a whole face.
I had a whole face.
I'm gonna tell y'all right now. From about 21 to really about 27, I had about 6 years of hoeing. And that was because I was single for those 6 years. I didn't have a man in those 6 years. I only had one child within that time. I had a lot of free time. And honestly, I was just on a carefree point in my life. I had, been in a relationship for a while with my son's father. So yeah, those 6 years, I definitely had some fun. Now at this point, I'm nothing like how I was back then. So yeah, maturity does play a big part in it.
Casual sex is just not fun to me, though, boy. It's like, I don't know. I'm the type, like, shit. I don't know. Once I'm done, bye.
You're done.
There's no need to pretend and lay up and do all that. That's what you about to cook. What are you doing?
Fuck you and you get out of my house.
What do you mean
right
what I'm
after?
about to cook? Nothing.
So
9 o'clock.
Now, do you think at this day and age, do niggas care about your body count? So, for example, do you think a nigga would care if you fuck 50 niggas versus 100 niggas?
A nigga shouldn't care, but he's gonna care. He shouldn't care because more than likely that nigga fucked 1,000 bitches.
So, I have another question then. And this is for my followers. If y'all familiar with Brandy Maxfield from Basketball Wives, it was a particular situation. She's been married. She found out her husband's been cheating. Come to find out, she's thinking it's been about 20 women. Come to find out, it's been more than 100 women. Do you think if you married, the amount or the number of women you cheat with matters? So if he's cheated with 50 women, would you be with him versus if he cheated on you with 100 women?
First of all, one is too many. So the fact that I feel like, that 100 is gonna make a difference. Just because it's like the fact that she done gave you 50 chances. She gave you 50 chances. The bitch ain't trying to give you 100 chances. So, yeah.
But I'm just saying, so what if y'all, like, they went on Ayala, and she thought he had sex with about 25 women. But come to find out, he confessed in front of Ayala that it's been over 100 women. What would you do in that moment, and that's still your husband? Does it matter because it went from 20 to 100 now? I don't, oh my God. This is for all of my viewers that are over 20. So we know what she's gonna do if the number changes. So ladies, my question is, if you found out you knew your husband was cheating, and let's just say, for example, it's been about 25 women, but doing counseling, you find out it's about 125 women. Are you gonna feel any different, or does the feeling stay the same because regardless, he still cheated?
Yep, I'm gonna be pissed off as fuck. Either way, I'm pissed off. It's just a fucked up situation. So I feel like the number does matter. I feel like my body count matters. I care about how many niggas I'm fucking with. Keep that number to a bare minimum. At least at this point in my life, there is one guy in particular. I hope he's watching. No, I'm just playing.
And I hope he's not watching. Nah, y'all. So let us know, ladies, what y'all think. Does it matter or does it not matter? Let us know. You still gonna stay with your nigga because you was willing to work it out.
Too many, but damn, if it goes from 20 to 100, I would want to kill. Exactly.
I'm just saying, but damn, 20 bitches? My thing is, damn, bro, you just don't need to be married. You just fucking at this point. You just fucking any bitch.
You have a problem. You need your dick cut the fuck off. I'm gonna paper cut your dick, pour alcohol all over it. That's what I'm gonna do to make me feel better about the situation.
So you gonna hurt him?
I just feel like I would do something crazy.
Well, I'm not gonna lose my life over no nigga, but
right.
I will.
You're right.
But cause I fuck him, cause it happens every day. Now, am I gonna want to feel like that? Of course, but fuck these niggas, bro.
Okay.
Fuck these niggas. And with that being said, we going on to the next fucking topic. And any nigga out here married that's out here fucking with 20 plus bitches, you disgust me.
Exactly.
Follow or not, you disgust me.
Exactly. If you are married, and you know what? Back to that, it's ridiculous how many married people cheat. It's disgusting.
It's disgusting.
It's fucking disgusting. It's like I only get approached by men who are involved. No.
It's
Just
ridiculous.
be single. Just be single.
And with that note, we're going to the next topic, and she's going to do the honors.
This is my question. Kind of on the same topic, actually. My question was, are there some things better left unsaid when you're in a relationship? So, with that being said, like, I mean, some shit that could fuck your relationship up. True enough, maybe you genuinely changed and you got your shit together. You probably did fuck up. And then you knew if your spouse knew about that fuck up, y'all would be done. So, do you just let shit continue to go good? You know, you made a commitment to yourself, you wouldn't do it. Do you just keep that to yourself, or do you think your person deserves to know?
Well, I'll go ahead and chime in. I don't know. I'm kind of two-sided with that situation because I do feel like, you know, once you commit yourself to somebody and you want to take it to the next level and you on some, I want to spend the rest of my life with you type of shit, I kind of go back and forth with, do you let this person know everything that has happened in your life? Or is it just cool for them to know what's happened in your life, you know, based upon the time frame that you met him?
Right.
You know, long as you haven't kept nothing from him from the time you met him to then. But do you have to go deep into your past, or do you have to open up to him about everything, or like we just went back to your number count? Do you feel like that needs to be revealed to the person that you about to spend the rest of your life with? Do he really need to know how many niggas you fucked, or if you've been in a threesome, or whatever? Like just on some wild shit, whatever.
I personally feel like, yes, there are some things better left unsaid. That's just me personally. I feel like if it's something that could ruin our relationship and we're in a good spot, and it's something that I did prior, or I don't know, maybe I did it during, I don't know. That's a tough situation. I guess I'm just going to have to say, yes, it's some things better left unsaid. But I don't know if that's fair to the other person.
Yeah, because what if they've revealed so much of their past about you?
But at the end of the day, what if you know that one thing is gonna ruin y'all? It's gonna ruin you. You're sure that it's gonna ruin y'all.
How do you know? How can you be sure that it would ruin you?
Okay, well, what? You're probably not certain, but you're probably deep down inside.
You would think it'll be a risk.
You're probably.
What if he accepts it and loves you anyway?
Then that's just, I don't know. Maybe I'll never.
What if he accepts it and says, I don't care, that was prior to me and all that matters is after me?
What do y'all think? Do y'all think some things are just better left unsaid, or
do you feel like you need to reveal everything to your mate?
You know,
we want to know how y'all feeling. Let us know.
Want to know.
We want to know how y'all feeling. Let us know what y'all think, because honestly, like I said, certain things, it's like I go between it because I want to reveal the real me and who I am, and I want you to be my friend enough to where I can open up and, you know.
Exactly.
Feel like you make me feel like no matter what was in my past, that I can let you know, because you're not going to judge me. You're not going to look me upside my head or be like on some judgmental type shit. You really love me for me, and that's regardless of whatever happened in the past. So honestly, I hope I could be with somebody like that. That way I can be open. But
I agree.
I feel like those topics have to come up. I don't feel like I'm just gonna be later with my nigga one night and be like, you know what, baby, about 5 years ago, I sucked 2 dicks in one time. I don't feel like, and I haven't done that, but I'm just there's examples. That's not something you would want to just sit up here and just lollygag and high-five with your nigga about. Sorry. Don't play with me, hoe. Anyway, to my followers.
Blunt. 2 dicks.
For my followers, I'm just giving you some examples. Or if you ate pussy before, or whatever you done did, one night stands type shit.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Any type of freaky hoe shit. Everybody got a little hoe in them, okay? It's probably gone now, but you had a little hoe in you. Okay.
No, some things are a secret, and I get it. Something, and that's why
I agree, Summer.
I
Some things are better left unsaid.
Yeah.
Like
some things are secrets.
How would you feel if your spouse
had
things that he didn't tell you? I don't know. That's every relationship. Maybe you just never gonna know everything about you.
Because how do you know what if he just told you a lot of shit about you? How will you ever know that he's told you everything that has happened in his life prior to you meeting him?
Like you said, if it don't come up, I'm not gonna just tell you.
Exactly. So I guess that means it just all depends on your relationship. But on that note,
wait a minute, I'm gonna slow it down. Do y'all motherfuckers listen to D'Angelo still, or y'all all on that BB about the boot?
Well, that's just what we vibing to tonight, y'all. We on definitely on some low, and y'all don't mind me calling him low, do you?
CD.
Okay, so this is a long ass question.
Damn.
It wasn't mine.
Sorry,
matter of fact, it's Kinsley's, our other mate's handwriting. So this is her question. So, is it okay to keep things? Wait, hold on, y'all.
Oh, that's a good question.
What is the question?
So she's basically asking, is it okay to keep things that your ex may have given you? So perhaps my ex gave me this painting and I still got it hanging up over my bedroom. Like, would you be okay with that? Keeping ex's gifts?
Okay, so it's kind of like I don't know. That's a hard one because
no, get rid of it.
It was a gift. It was a gift. It was Christmas and I was obligated to get you something, and you just happened to keep it.
See this bitch.
That's just like if a nigga I had been with, and he bought me a Keurig for Christmas 3 years ago. You think I'm gonna throw my motherfucking Keurig out for a new nigga?
My nigga, you say this hoe bought you these glasses?
You got me fucked up.
You got me drinking out some glasses another bitch bought you?
You think that's just like if a nigga bought me these
I'ma be on
wine glasses right here that I'm drinking out of that I just happen to have over a couple of years, and I met a nigga. You think I'm ready for to go throw out my motherfucking glasses because I done met a new nigga that I don't even know? I guess it really depends on what it is.
Yeah, it do depends on
now, I ain't gonna be walking around with the nigga ring and necklace and all that shit he done got me. If it's something sentimental, then okay, I get it. Yeah. But if it's some bullshit, fuck you. I'm not throwing out my Keurig.
Right.
I'm not getting rid of my glasses. I'm keeping my lamps.
Oh, it depends on what it is. Yeah, I agree. So, like, what can't it be?
I feel like... So what are some acceptable gifts and what are some that
it's depends on the gift is, right. I'm not throwing nothing away, nothing valuable. My cousin. Okay, yeah, so like what would you keep? What are some things that you would keep?
So like, so for me personally,
jewelry.
I
would keep jewelry.
You would keep jewelry.
I would keep
my jewelry. So if he bought you rings or diamond earrings or whatever, you're gonna keep them.
Yeah. I'm definitely keeping my diamond earrings. Yeah. And I might pawn my ring, depending on the type of ring it is. But more than likely, I'm gonna keep my jewelry. Any jewelry, I'm gonna keep. Any large house items.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna keep, like wash and dry, shit like that.
Basically, I'm keeping my shit.
I don't know what I wouldn't keep.
Exactly. And on that note, I'm keeping all my shit. If you want me to have something different, go out and give me something different. Or say, you know what, upgrade me from whatever the nigga bought me.
What if he has like family pictures of him and his baby, his ex-baby mama and the kids, you know, hanging up around the house. You know.
Well, just coming off the back, I'm not gonna debate.
Well, no, if y'all in a relationship.
If we're in a relationship, I would hope that my man would take that shit down out of respect for me. I don't give a fuck about your family shit because I don't fucking respect my nigga. You think I'm gonna be walking up in your motherfucking house with a picture of you and your baby mama kid fucking cheesing? No! I'm fucking you, but I gotta be looking at her And y'all motherfucking baby over here cheesing and shit. Hell nah, nigga.
Take that shit
That
down.
type of shit?
Yeah.
Nah, bro.
I'm with you. Take it down.
What if they picture on the nightstand? Him, the baby, and the baby mama from when the baby was born type
Really?
shit.
You fucking looking at the picture like this?
Bitch!
Why? Take it down.
Yeah,
I'm out.
I ain't fucking with none of that shit.
Yeah. So it's a no-go for pictures. All that exes and shit, family or not. If it ain't your granny, your mama, your bro, sis, first cousin, the rest of them hoes gotta go.
Yeah, don't be disrespectful, my nigga. You
Don't
know
be
what's
disrespectful.
cool and what ain't cool, and if you did have it up in your house, I hope it was while you was single. But then I wouldn't even have company with a bitch coming over there. Yeah, oh yeah, that's your baby mom right there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good one.
Okay.
5 years ago, she killed. The fuck? I'm not doing that, bro. Take that shit down. Ladies, what do y'all think?
It's enough.
Definitely a no for me now.
So this actually was a 2 questions. It was 2 questions on this. So moving on to her next question on this paper. Ooh, she said, "What are some reasons your spouse don't want sex?"
So, that's a good question. What are some acceptable reasons? What are some reasons that you're willing to accept your spouse turning you down when it comes to fucking? This is your spouse. Keep in mind, this is your husband.
Okay.
So we gotta consider a lot of things. Understanding, woo. What are some reasons you ain't gonna trip?
A couple reasons. Back pain.
Chime in.
Back pains. If you having back pain, shit like that, you know. Oh, my back pain hurt me. Okay, alright, cool. Think. Hold on, let me think. It's another reason I'm gonna let you make it.
So what her reason is, you gotta be asking something like
Some type of medical condition. Medical condition is let me see. Hold on, let me think. What else could be? Medical. Okay, death in the family. Death in the family, medical.
So somebody gotta be done died in order for you to turn that pussy down.
Yeah.
You gotta be handicapped, done broke your leg, sick, pneumonia, flu.
Death in the family.
Something.
Medical.
Medical. What's another reason you'll take your nigga telling you no to fucking?
That's it. That's it for me. I think. If I come up with another one, I'll share. But for now, the only way you can be like, nah, not tonight, is some shit like that. All that, I'm tired, I've been at work all day. Motherfucker.
So if a nigga been at work for 12.
Just lay down.
And he gets out.
You ain't gotta do no work.
No, he been at work for 12. He come home, he eat, he shower.
Ooh, perfect.
He tired as fuck though. So if he get out the shower, he hit the bed. It's either knocked out right away. You try to wake the nigga up on dick. You done only worked 8 hours. You done been home a couple hours chilling. You good. He hit the shower. Baby, I love you.
Alright.
Whoa. He lay down. He knocked out in 5 minutes. You wake this nigga up, he trying to fuck. He be like, nah, I'm good. I'm sleeping, baby. I'm tired.
Don't say no to me. Do it.
Part of the marriage is understanding.
Don't tell me no. I think we need to fuck now. You can go back to sleep once I'm done. Once we're done. I won't make him work hard. He can just lay down. Just take care of your woman. Your woman has needs.
So, the roles are switched. What are some reasons you tell your nigga no?
Medical, death in the family.
So if you've been at work all day, you just irritated. You had a long ass day. You annoyed.
Even if I am tired, see, that's why I like a guy who's kind of a little
So you
aggressive.
tired. What if you just annoyed that day? You don't annoyed. You just you don't want to be bothered, and your nigga wants some pussy.
I'll probably give it to him. I'm just thinking about my personality.
So you never gonna tell your nigga no to pussy unless you done had a death in the family and it's medical.
I would expect him to take it at that point. If I'm doing all that, I don't feel like the shit. Just go and take it. I'm not gonna.
So you never turn your nigga down.
I've never the couple of relationships that I've been in. I don't recall a time I've ever turned sex down.
I ain't gonna
Oh,
stop.
I'll say this: we probably was arguing. If we was arguing,
If y'all into it.
if we into it, that's another one.
So
If we
that's
into
three.
it,
If
I'm
we
gonna
into
turn
it.
it down. Yep, that's probably the only time. But also, I'm too tired. I don't feel like it. I mean, I done said it, but it still end up happening. I think when it don't happen, it's just shit. I think he just pick up my vibe. Most time niggas pick up your energy too. Like she don't even act like she in the mood. But I don't think I've ever turned down him trying. He's actively trying, and I'm like, no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just like, I got a couple of reasons. All those are her medical. You know, something got to be really going on with you. Death in the family. You out of town. You know, maybe you just, I just say, maybe you just got back in from a long weekend, long flight type shit. I might be like, all right. But 9 times out of 10, drop them draws.
Nigga.
Drop. I mean, I don't have time for no extra because tired. I mean, I get it. I mean, and I know as time you get comfortable, you know, you get to a phase where, you know, you can be a little bit more understanding. And I'm not saying I'm not understanding, but like I said, out of 100%, about 90%, you need to be dropping them draws.
Yeah. Cause you like we each other's only source. That's just like, yeah, nigga, I need it now. Maybe I need it a couple days in a row. So
now now let's flip the script. What if your nigga likes fucking all day, every day? What if he wants to go back to back every single night? Are you gonna say no?
I'm saying no.
Are you just gonna get
You ain't
the
gonna
fuck
stretch
out?
my motherfucking shit out, nigga. Nah.
Oh, now you wanna say no?
Hell
So you
yeah, I'm
wanna-
saying nah.
That's not right. You're married.
Back to back to back to back to back every day.
But you can't understand him being tired one night.
I'm not trying to fuck back to back. I want to just fuck probably one day.
Listen to what you're
maybe
saying.
once a day.
Listen to key word.
Once a day.
Listen to what you're saying. Key word is I. I just want to fuck back to back. I
don't want to fuck back
No,
to
you're
back.
just saying I just want to fuck once a day. I just want to fuck once a day.
Yeah.
What if he wants to fuck twice a day?
Okay, I'm cool with twice a day too.
Okay, so you'll fuck twice a day for your nigga.
I'll fuck twice a day. I'll fuck 4 times a day. I'm not gonna fuck back to back to back to back to back to back every single day. No, I'm not.
What if that's what he wants from you?
I'm not. Sorry. You're an info.
Because you like it every night. He could think the same. But he's more of an info than you because he wants it twice.
An info is somebody who, no, not twice. You said back to back to back to back.
So
twice is normal. That's below average.
So every night you can fuck two or 3 times in a row.
I mean, yeah, long as it's spicy, man.
My God.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, y'all. I can't fuck like that. Now, I can do that shit on the weekend. I can fuck all day. But I can't do that shit on the fucking weekday. Fucking you all night, nigga?
I mean, y'all gotta do all them extra positions
You
during the
want to
week.
talk about 5 minutes fuck.
I mean, I'm talking about a regular, you know, a good little 25 minutes. I'm talking about, but y'all can do missionary. It ain't gotta be ass clapping every night and leg up here every night. It ain't gotta do all of that.
Sex is tired.
You ain't gotta do all that, ride it backwards and all that.
That shit is tired. So,
It's
ladies,
tired. It's a workout.
Ladies, can
if you
y'all-
go to the gym every day, why you can't fuck every day?
I don't go to the gym every day. But look, ladies, can y'all fuck y'all nigga every night? Dealing with these children, going to work. I ain't saying once, but back to back every night. What's too much sex and what's not enough sex?
I'm just gonna say,
What's
too
too
much
much
sex.
and not enough?
Too much is back to back to back to back to back every night. Not enough is none. Cause I feel like at least if you're doing it at least once a day,
Yeah.
you know, you're still in a good spot. As long as y'all getting it from each other when y'all want it, you in a good spot. As long as ain't nobody over here in a drought, you know.
Long as each other's not complaining about sex.
Yeah.
I feel like whether we fucking every day, 2-3 times a night, long as neither one of us has an issue, like long as you good and satisfied with how much you get and I'm good, I feel like that's straight for me. I want to make sure my nigga's satisfied, so if it takes fucking him twice a day, I do that. If he good with just once a day, I'm cool with that too. I guess it just...
I'm cool with whatever he cool with.
Yeah.
Like I said, Mika said, I'm with you.
Yeah.
Ain't no way in hell I can have sex
every
every
night
night.
like that.
Back to back to back to back.
Damn! Every night?
I'm not bending it over
My
tonight.
God,
You better come
pussy is
on.
off the ribs.
Nah, baby. You ain't gonna be able to enjoy. You keep on.
Pussy is off the ribs.
But we have reached our time limit, and this is my song.
Yes, y'all. Okay, so it's a couple of new followers I'm not familiar with. So
Well,
thank
Tiny
y'all.
Beauty, that's my cousin from Birmingham, Alabama, GCPA.
Well, we excited to have new followers. Okay, so y'all, peep this. If you know people that want to watch the show but couldn't make tonight's show, we got y'all. YouTube channel link is going to be in all of our pages tomorrow. And if you missed tonight's show, you can always go tomorrow. Click the link in our bios. And the video is pretty much available to you from tomorrow to any other day moving forward. Thank y'all so much. We love y'all. We grateful for y'all. And it's only going to get better.
Yep, we love y'all. Peace out. Have a good night.